Market correlations part three. Quick little detail that I left out. Uh, Notice up here, triple Q's on the left hand side, NASDAQ on the right hand side, and right here I have the NASDAQ on the left hand side and the triple Q's on the right hand side. Why does it matter? One is pointing up, the other is pointing down. Remember, I like to do the inverse. So when it's pointing up, that means the market is really going down. But if you want to follow the market precisely, this is the configuration that you want to do whenever you set them up. If you wanted to follow the market, if you're on the right side of the screen, put the NASDAQ on the left-hand side. If you're on the left-hand side of the screen, put it on the right side, and then put the stock or whatever you want to compare it to. Find the pair correlations or whatever you're trying to follow this pair with. Notice, remember, I like the inverse. So if you want to do the inverse, meaning when it's pointing up and going up, the market's really going down, you want to do it like this. If you want to do the regular one, so right now, if we look at the market should be heading down. The NASDAQ and the triple Qs, if we look at it, it's heading down. It's the same thing for the ES. If we were to look at the SPY's opposite for some reason, and ES, don't ask me why. That's the way that they coded the system. It'll give you the inverse, the opposite way. So see what I mean? So if this is the inverse, this is the one that I use. So it's pointing up, means the market's going down. This is the inverse. If you want to just follow the market, you use this configuration. Market on the left-hand side, and SPY or whichever one you're looking for, or trying to compare to the S&P on the right-hand side. So seems like it's bouncing a little bit, pulling back. Yep, it's bouncing right there to confirm. So if you want to follow it, this is the configuration that you want to do. So remember, it matters where you put it, because you'll either get the inverse, which is what I use, which is the examples that I showed you guys in the videos. So when it's pointing down for the inverse, that means it's going up. But if you want to make it easier, follow this configuration, and then you can just follow. When it's first pointing up, it's because it's going up. If it's pointing down, it's because it's going down. And you trade accordingly the same way. You set your levels, go back, you find the top and you find the bottom. Seems like top of the market that needs to break right now is going to be up here. Somewhere in this level needs to break this channel. But at least it confirms that we reached a little bottom. So there's different ways to find it, but this is how you use it, the market correlations. And remember, you can put this with any stocks. If you guys have any questions or get stuck on anything, just ask me.